Hello everyone! Good morning, picciotti e picciotte!
Ciao dear Sicily Lovers!
You're in the shade. Okay. So we came back home after a wonderful tour of Sicily with the San Filippos and the McCluskeys. We are here in Palermo, in our hometown, and if you've been following us for a long time, you already know that the beautiful cathedral behind us is a must-see location in Palermo, the capital of Sicily. So the beautiful evidence of the syncretism, of the mix between the Arab and the Norman style. We are talking about one of the best cathedral in the world, in particular outside. Outside is huge, majestic, with a different mix of styles. You can see the beautiful entrance behind us. And Rosella, we are so happy because now we are... My cell phone is... Oh, not now. They don't know we are broadcasting right now. Ciao Irene, ciao Debbie, good morning.
Ciao!
So we back home. We get home a few days ago.
Yes.
2 days ago. I don't remember because our life is running so fast and we have lost the sense of the time.
Yeah.
We only know that we are in a very, very good company with another beautiful San Filippo family.
So San Filippo is our destiny.
It is in our faith, in our destiny. And we are with Giusy, our one of the best local guides here in Sicily.
Yeah.
They are now visiting the cathedral inside with Giusy, and so we take the opportunity to say something about...
And they are just going out. I can see over there. And they don't know, that we are live. So it's
a beautiful surprise.
Yeah.
Let me switch. Aspetta. Andiamo.
Anthony, siamo live!
They already know because they follow us and they have been alerted by...
We got an alert from you!
Anthony, say hello to the world.
Hello world, it's the best place, best people to be here with is these two. Cannot go wrong.
And we didn't pay you.
You know, you didn't pay me to say this, but believe me, you should be paid for this.
And come on.
Yeah, come over
Come
here.
on! His beautiful wife!
Come on guys, where are you going? Are you filming me? No. I'm filming you.
The beautiful
You're
San
the guest
Filippo's
star
family.
This has been great experience. Love it. Every minute of it.
The best tour. What you see on video, they're even better in person. Everyone should take a tour with Gianca and Rosella.
We didn't
didn't
do
pay me.
anything.
No.
Just be with you, and that's the best for us. So
For us too.
thank you for
Amazing.
being here.
It was
Thank you for
amazing.
your beautiful company.
Yeah. They are wonderful, so shining, so joyful, so very, very sweet people. So
Rosella, let me know for those who don't know. We know the San Filippos for 1 year at least.
More or less.
At least, yeah.
So you attended a cooking class, a virtual cooking class.
Multiple
Three
cooking classes.
3 cooking classes, virtual cooking classes, and we knew that you are wonderful, but we can expect that you are better in person, funnier,
are you.
shining.
So are you.
So thank you for being here, guys. You're wonderful. Out of
And
the
we
joke.
are younger, right?
You better believe it.
Younger.
I'm taking the advantage, the permission to talk now because the local guy Juicy talks continuously. So this is my chance to say that I love you.
She's a wealth of information, though.
She's very
we learned
nice.
a lot today.
A lot.
She's
We
very
learned so
nice
much.
with a perfect knowledge of Sicily.
Absolutely.
For sure, better than Roselle and Howard.
Well, guys are still doing a good job. I don't care what anybody says.
You bring the passion. She brings the knowledge.
So now it's time to pass the exam. I'm gonna ask some question about what you studied today.
No exam.
The easiest question.
I'll check my cheat sheets.
Guys, we are live. Say hello to the world. So the easiest question: which is the patron saint now in Palermo?
Santa Rosalia.
Santa Rosalia. Is over there. A statue is over there.
Well, that's
I thought it was so cool. Not to make up and not to brush.
So that's the rest of the group approaching. Ciao Juicy, we are live.
Our guys.
We are live broadcasting.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
More than 80,000 people are watching us. So.
Wow!
So,
I'm
Juicy,
impressed.
last time I said you are the best
Guide
local guides in Sicily.
In Sicily, okay.
And now it's time to introduce you to our followers.
All right.
Say what you think, say what you want.
What can I say? Shall I say this in English or in Sicilian?
Both.
Maybe in English.
Both.
Baciamo le mani a tutti. That means I kiss your hands in Sicilian. That's a very special way. That's exactly a very special way of saying ciao ciao, hello everybody. Well, what should I say? Come to Sicily. It's a wonderful island with wonderful people. Look at me. Wow. Okay, so don't miss this.
It's
all right?
true.
We're
It's
wonderful
true.
visitors,
It is
wonderful-
true.
Yeah, that's true. Wonderful atmosphere.
Nico.
So don't miss this, please. Okay, join us next time. I'll be here.
And now they
ready to go.
can visit Sicily. They have
Now
no
they
restrictions
can.
anymore.
Yeah, look, we're not wearing masks at all.
Yeah.
We're free people at the moment. We feel really free.
We are approaching
And much
the white
better than
tire in a
that's
few
right.
days.
We're approaching the white zone. So it's going to be a normal life and normal, visit for all of you. Come, please. Don't miss this country, okay? Ciao.
And perhaps if you are lucky, you can meet Juicy.
Maybe, yeah.
But only if you want to enjoy Sicily with the funny, guys, not boring experiences.
Is Juicy boring?
I'm not boring.
Is Juicy brilliant?
A lot of knowledge. Beautiful. I'm from here, and I got a better lecture than I got when I was in school here.
I'm your teacher, right?
Yeah, best teacher.
So, would you like to share with our Sicily Lovers community where are you from, where you live? So, who wants to start?
And we'll stop. Let's the
Take
teacher
the
do it.
microphone, Gianca, if it's on.
Yeah.
We're the San Filippo family amongst friends. We're here from Boston, actually Gloucester, Massachusetts.
Woo!
Yeah. Visiting family and friends and enjoying a trip of a lifetime. Go ahead.
They are from,
We didn't say your origin. Which is your origin in
He's from
Sicily?
Io sono da Porticello.
Dillo in siciliano come mi hai insegnato tu.
Porticelluato. Va bene.
Si vede con naso.
Si vede, perché siamo Porticello, siamo tutti pescatori. Non guardate il mio naso.
Something very funny happened a few minutes ago. A guy who didn't
not
know you
know me. He
first
picked-
recognized at the first
He
look.
picked me out of the crowd and he says, "You must be from Porticello." And I was shocked because I says, "How'd you know?" And he pointed to my nose.
By the nose.
And I'm proud of it. I am proud of my nose. My wife likes it.
That's the most important thing. Of course. Would you like to share from how many years you are married?
37 years, but we were together 11. So it's just like a lifetime, or some people call it like a sentence. But it's been a good one.
Stop talking. Stop talking.
Are you saying I'm in trouble?
You better think about it.
I'm in the same position.
I'm only kidding. She's a beautiful woman.
Yeah, but you don't know her.
No.
Yes, you do.
We already do. We know very well. And I think she produce something.
It's like you're saying all the men, be careful. I understand there's a secret message in your communication. Subliminal message.
I can't say that.
Food.
Are you happy?
I'm happy. I'm very happy.
Say it.
I'm very happy.
I believe in you. He's a good boy.
And what about you? Guys, what about
Alex,
you?
what happened?
What?
You speechless now?
No.
What was the
He's
best
afraid,
part?
he's
What was the
afraid.
best part today?
Best part, food tours easily, along with the historical walking tour.
Definitely.
Food.
Food.
Come on.
Mine is all the food. I eat it all.
Would you recommend the food stop at the Church of Santa Caterina, for example?
Oh, yeah.
See,
But keep the secret.
I like food. I like food. Food. No, they let you let. That's the cannolis, and they look good. But I'm a foodie. I like to eat food. No sugar.
And for anyone on the fence, even if it looks kind of funny, give it a try. You never know. You might actually like it.
That's right.
Would you like to say something?
No, today's just been a wonderful day. We've been with all friends, family. It's great that we're all together. We all been here for a couple days. So what else can you ask for? Plenty of food, plenty of history. I just never knew there was that much history here. It's my first time doing something like this here, and my family's from here. I was born in the States. My brothers were all born here in Porticello, so it's just great to be back.
So this is just an appetizer for you.
This is just
Next
an appetizer.
time,
We'll be back.
as Anthony and I have planned before, next time you will see the entire island of Sicily.
That's for sure.
I'm talking to you guys, all to you. So, a big tour of Sicily. So you will see beautiful locations, and you will have many chances to enjoy the best food. I'm talking to you. No, I don't drive because I had to get drunk.
We might need a
We
bus.
will provide you, we will provide you a beautiful bus with a professional driver, just to give me the opportunity to drink, because I don't want to drive. Did you enjoy the cathedral?
It's a masterpiece here in Palermo. Yeah. And now it's time to reach Mount Pellegrino, our next stop.
It's time to walk through the Cassaro,
Yes.
the most ancient road in Palermo.
Yeah.
It's full of heritage, full of beautiful palazzo. And then we will go to Mount Pellegrino.
So-
We don't climb up Mount Pellegrino on the knees.
Not this year.
We're a lazy pilgrimage.
So no chances to get rid of the food you had before. Not today. Not today.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Amonin.
Let's go. Andiamo tutti insieme, allegramente. Amonin.
For sure.
Beautiful people in a beautiful location in Palermo.
Yeah.
Rosella, che dici tu?
So happy to enjoy a great time, to spend a great time with these beautiful people, so full of positive vibes. So we are recharging our soul.
We are doing the full after a beautiful tour with 5 Americans, the San Filippos and the McCluskeys. Sì, arrivo. Now we are having our, best day tour that we can expect here in Palermo, in our hometown, with the other San Filippo. This is so funny. Ironically, they are named the same. The same surname, the same family name.
Misty are watching
Oh,
us.
ciao Misty!
They are watching us.
Ciao Misty!
We miss you.
Aspetta che switcho. Vai.
We miss you so much. A big hug to you, Dan, and all your family.
Say hello to Travis, say hello to the McCluskeys and Rocky, and
Also.
the other puppy.
I'm going
Do you remember the name?
Rocky and I don't remember the other name. Sorry, bad memory.
And I'm walking through the Cassaro, Corso Vittorio Emanuele, the most ancient road in Palermo. Benny, yeah, thank you, Misty. Say hello to Benny too. Let me say again, this is pedestrian now. So if you're afraid to walk in Palermo, now you can. Palermo now belongs to the UNESCO World Heritage Site list, and they gave us the award, the UNESCO award, just if we free the historic center from the cars. So now you can easily walk in Palermo, in the historic center of Palermo,
Yeah.
without any stress, without any fears. As you can see, people are walking very, very easily.
Yeah. Only some car. If you see some cars,
Only the resident people.
yes,
Yeah.
and
Or
the
delivery guys.
yes.
Let me say that these roads boast about 27 centuries of heritage. From the age of the Phoenicians. First Phoenicians came here in the 7th century before Christ. The postman. Ciao! Un postino mi sono visto il postino. The postman.
No, anybody here? You must be famous.
Dacci un microfono a quell'amico.
You must be famous. La conosci a tutte. E che è? Come fucca?
Come la barzelletta chi del Papa. La sai la barzelletta del Papa?
No, una sa.
Quando c'era chi che tipo si vantava di essere famoso in tutto il mondo. Quando si andava a Piazza San Pietro. Dice, ma qua è chi vissuto in bianco o la taito? Cioè, praticamente si conoscevano tutti, a lui non conoscevano il Papa.
No,
Anthony, ci vuoi dire qualche bello proverbio all'amici nostri da tua zona?
in siciliano, un dialetto.
E poi giù tu che sei bravo, ci dici in siciliano e poi già tu.
Bravo, italiano, siciliano, americano, siciliano. No,
Siciliano e poi già tu.
sentite, è un meglio viaggio che abbiamo avuto qua noi, con mia moglie e mie figlie, perché se non fosse per Gianca e Rosella o con la gita, noi la maggior parte di Palermo non la vedevo, perciò non potevamo sguidare a piede, a cavallo, i ragazzi vedono i carrozzelli, vanno a fare gite, siamo assai, e il problema è che stiamo insieme e questa gita che abbiamo da voi fu bellissima.
Ora ti fila a dire tutto quello che dici in English.
Sure. Anyways, what I was saying is that this has been the best tour ever. I've been here many times, but I've never seen most of this. I've never seen the gist of that. I mean, this is incredible. Between Rosella and Gianca and this organization that they prepared for us has been very educational. Very educational.
And this is nothing.
This is just a piece.
This is a piece.
This is a small piece of what I've.
He's an authentic Sicilian, so he knows Sicily very well, and he knows that this is just a piece.
Just a piece
of the entire island.
When I left this island, this beautiful island that we're in right now,
you were 12.
I was 12 years old. So I really didn't get to enjoy or see all of this. My parents didn't drive. We hardly left our little town of Porticello, so we didn't know anything about the city, the history, and everything. But this has been an experience I could actually say of my lifetime, because, I mean, again, like I said earlier, if it wasn't for Rosella and Gianca and the beautiful Moglie Giuseppina, if it wasn't for her, you know, with this whole knowledge that she just implanted in our heads, I mean, we got a lot to take back with us. And I'm sure some of these people will remember this for a long time. You know, they will not stop talking about it. We're a close group. We always see each other. I got a lot of video myself besides this video that we're gonna be in, and we're just gonna go over it and enjoy it for the rest of our life. It's been a lifetime experience, honestly.
Anthony, I'm just reading a beautiful message from Liz from Melbourne. She says they had the strictest lockdown restrictions in the world. She's a little bit jealous for our freedom. And so I would like to say, be patient, please.
Yes.
Because we had the same restrictions here in Sicily.
Yes.
We had a very bad time.
Right,
but
yes.
we are going out
Right.
from the tunnel. And
Right,
so be
right.
patient.
Yeah,
There will be a time also for you.
Exactly. There will be a better days, and like you said earlier, they're going to white, which the restrictions here are going to be lessened. And also for us, it was our last moment decision for us also, because we do have this terrible COVID situation all over the world, and as we expected. Again, we made it happen, and I hope all of you will think about it. And if you have to postpone it, like I know Gianca and Rosello telling me they had to delay some of their tours, but I guarantee you will not be disappointed. Will not be disappointed.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anthony. Let's reach the group.
Amoni, you might be loud. Let's reach the others.
We didn't pay Anthony.
No.
Yet. Not yet.
No, that was all my words. I hope I got the message across.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And you are a beautiful, from the bottom of our heart.
Thank you so much.
You are so sweet.
Thank you.
Was love at first sight when we met the first time during the cooking class?
Yes.
So nice.
Yes.
So
Yeah, well, my wife was, at first I didn't know what to expect.
Yeah.
But then when we got together and we started setting up the table with food, I said, wait a minute, we're at home, so we don't have to leave the house. Let's drink. As you remember, we had many bottles of wine that we just tried to consume, and we did a good job. I think Sue was here with us, and we did consume a lot of wine.
Yes, I remember a lot of wine during the cooking class. If you remember, guys, this group, they enjoyed great Sicilian wine.
We went crazy looking for something authentic that was like from Sicily.
Yeah.
But we did find some stuff, and believe me, it was well worth it. And we're looking forward, especially if you guys are going to do the same thing during the winter months. If you guys have nothing going, we'd be glad to join in. It was great.
Thank you.
Anthony, tu la sai la storia di Carlo V?
No, aveva 12 anni quando venirono.
No, ma che picchi Carlo V aveva nomi sa così, tu sai?
Stai raccontando la storia di
Aspetta che ci
Carlo
contiamo
V?
pure l'amici in diretta. Guys, vieni qua con me.
Yeah.
Behind us, you can see the statue of Charles V, the famous king from Spain who ruled the entire Europe. He stands the hand
with extended hand,
and many times Palermitan people are wondering why he used this hand this way.
Extended hand facing down.
You know?
I don't know.
Because Palermo now is good, but in the past it was very dirty. And it's like he said, in Palermo the garbage gets this level.
Was up to this hand. Wow.
The level of garbage is over there.
That is unbelievable.
Aspetta che zoomiamo. È bellissima questa statua. Questa piazza Bologna si chiama.
this Africa. This building.
Yeah.
See, people actually live in it.
Yeah.
People live in it. That's beautiful. And these streets are so straight, and like you said, you can see the gate on one side,
Yeah.
il portone nuovo,
Right.
e dall'altro lato si vede il mare, il porto di Palermo. Stiamo
A very
arrivando ai
long,
quattro
long
canti.
street.
Sì, sì.
Yeah. Maybe at the four corners we can say all together the greetings for our
Sicily,
yes
yeah.
from Sicily, yeah. So we can reach the other part of the group
Okay.
just to compact again the
Yeah.
group, and we can say
We were
bye-bye.
expecting the rain today, you know?
Huh.
But Rosella's got
I
superpowers.
stopped the rain.
You're the best.
We reserved the
are the
sun for
best.
you.
You reserved a day just for us. You were the best.
We couldn't have picked another day
No,
for it either.
you couldn't exactly. This is perfect. Not too hot.
Check if the microphone is on, Gianca, because I'm mute.
We are in the heart of the center of Palermo, the four corners, i quattro canti.
You already know. So it's the time to say all together. From this point, yes, guys, from exactly the center of Palermo. Check if the microphone is on, Gianca, please.
Aspetta,
Check.
it's on.
Okay, guys, be ready. You already know, no? Where is Anne? Anne, where are you?
Ian, why are you always hiding?
So all together we have to say love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.
Okay.
Okay? So,
Mettiti al centro col microfono.
Love, hugs, and kisses.
so all together. Scream.
Okay.
So, love, hugs and kisses from Sicily. Ciao.
Would you say love, hugs and kisses from Sicily too? Say it. Love, hugs and kisses from Sicily.
No, this way.
Picciotti, mwah. Saluti. I'm in the center of Palermo and I love you. Mwah. From the center of Palermo, all my good vibes. Ciao.